My name is Taryn Bachman. I'm the other half of Overland Mojave. This is our camp setup. We've been through a lot of different setups, but this is what we found works best for us, condensed. We have all our kitchen gear all in one spot in our Zarges box. And believe it or not, everything fits in there. We keep our Jetboil. We've started carrying a cast iron skillet. It's great for the heat. We have our Omnia, which we love to reheat food from home at camp. We can make cookies, brownies. It's great. It's like a convection oven. My new collapsible pot, again, so we can keep everything condensed and good storage. The other things that we use, we have our Blue Ridge Overland gear cook sack. Keeps all of our utensils all in one place. It's all in there. We use all our gear. Spoons, forks, easy reach for things, oil, lighter, and my handy. I've always tried to figure out how I was gonna do my spices and sugar and salts. Everything fits perfectly right here in my little zip pouch here. Some good camp dishes, go-tos is we have a rock pot, but you like to do pot roasting. We do a good chili, which we're doing tonight, as a matter of fact. And we have a Madcom grill, but we use to make steaks, chicken, cast iron's great for anything else, bacon, eggs. This is by far become one of my go-tos. It's cast iron. I used to never be able to cook on them, but as long as you season them well, they work great. And believe it or not, all of this fits in one box, which is great because this is our stuff to get into camp. One of the things that we struggled with a different setup was when we had the tailgate on the truck with a cap and a rooftop tent. We had slides and you had to constantly open and close slides and move things around because we were using our tailgate as a cook setup. With the canopy camper, it's great. So instead of having drawers, Dennis built our own setup back here, and we use the soft top front runner boxes, one for dry goods. One is my whole coffee setup, my coffee bar. And it makes it great because when we get home, all we gotta do is carry the boxes inside, reload, wash dishes, and then back into the camper, and it slides easy and out of the way instead of having drawer systems. Having your kitchen all in one place instead of having it scattered all over, that was a frustrating thing too, is when you had parts of your kitchen all over the place. Which drawer is it in? Which box is it in? Having it all in one place makes it super easy. One of the things that we struggled with in winter camping is not having hot water when washing dishes. And when you're cold camping and you're with cold water, your hands become very painful. Make it very simple. We have one wash bucket, and we can either use our spigot here for water, or we have our hot water setup here, instant hot water heater. Makes it very easy. I could put my little sink here, just basic, keep it really easy. We've been through a lot of multiple setups, and we've learned over time what works for us, what didn't work for us. It's all about less weight and keeping things condensed and only bringing and using what you really need. Because a lot of times you bring a lot of excess stuff. So this is what we found so far for now, until we learn of some other little gadget that keeps our life organized and simple and easy. Thanks for checking out our setup. Again, you can find us on Instagram at Overland_Mojave, or sometimes I got some content. It's Taryn Bachman. It's pretty simple. Hope to be putting some more videos out, and happy camping.